Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to hide story from everyone at once on Instagram. So I'm currently inside my Instagram account. Actually, this is a dummy Instagram account. What you want to do is first go to settings, click on the three lines on the upper right section, and in here, type on the search bar story so you don't have to look for it. You should see the option hide story and live. Now once you're here, you can specifically choose persons or people that you want to hide your story to that will take manually. However, that's not going to be the way here for everyone hiding it at once. But if you want specifically, go in here. Now, how can we hide them all at once? So I have a workaround. Open up your story right there, go to settings over here, go to story settings right there, and look for the one that says close friends. This means you can only choose persons that can view your story. So you can just enable on close friends your dummy account, your secondary account. So not everyone, or I mean everyone, cannot see your story anymore. The only person that can see your stories is gonna be whoever is gonna be on close friends. Alright? And basically that's a loophole there. And that's how you hide stories from everyone at once on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.